Good morning, everybody. This is Cash, and I work for Rick Case. Got a brand new car here for you. This is the 2025 Tucson Hybrid N-Line. This is the redesign on this vehicle. I had one as a personal car at 24. It was a nice car. I like the grille, a little bit different on this one. The wheel patterning is also pretty nice, unique to the N-Line here for us. Badging throughout the car. N-Line lets you know what you're looking at. But overall, nice car. Little scoops on the back here. Let you know it's a little bit different. And as always, the hybrids come standard all-wheel drive and with the badging on the back as well. Interior, pretty comparable to your hybrid 25 vehicles. The N-Line does have the stitching here, a little red stitching, which is nice. This is what your steering wheel setup looks like on the vehicle. It's got a little N here. And then this will be your interior dual 12-inch displays, the floating center console, and mesh pattern seats on the car. But nice vehicle, good about updates. As always, if you have any questions, this one is available. 603-858-4511. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.